In this video, I will show you how to get iOS 18 beta. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Safari on your iPhone. And the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to beta.apple.com. Now what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this, and from here you want to scroll down towards the bottom and press the blue sign up button to sign up for Apple Beta. At this point, it's going to ask you to sign in with your Apple ID, so you just want to confirm that to enable beta updates and beta access on your device. Now, after doing this, you want to come to another website, which is this one here called developer.apple.com. So when you come to here, you want to press onto the two lines in the top left-hand corner of the screen. Then what you want to do is come down and press onto account. Now from here, you're going to be taken to a screen like this. There's going to be an agreement for you to agree to, so you just want to go ahead and agree to the agreement. Once you've done that, it's going to take you to a screen like this. Now you're going to see an option which says enroll today, but you don't want to do that because you will have to pay if you want to enroll today. All you want to do is accept the initial agreement, and then what you can do is come out of Safari. Now once you've done that, the next thing you're going to want to do is go into your settings, and from here you want to come down and press onto general. Then what you need to do is press onto software update at the top, and you should see beta updates come up. Now what you need to do is go into beta updates, and in beta updates you should now see the iOS 18 developer beta. So if you actually go ahead and select this one and then press back, as you can see you've now got the option to upgrade to iOS 18. So just be aware this is still in beta, so it might be a bit buggy. The official release is sometime in September, but at the time of recording it's still in beta, which means there will be some problems with the app still whilst they're still working on it. However, you can still check out iOS 18 and just get a feel for it basically on your iPhone. So all you want to do is choose whether to update now or update tonight, select the appropriate option, and that's going to update your phone and enable you to get the iOS 18 beta version. So that is how to get iOS 18 beta. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.